Alright, so it's day 3 on the S14 build. I just got back from Dollar Tree buying a bunch of the cleaning supplies for this shell. As you guys can see, it's pretty gunky in here. But yeah, it's pretty gunky. I'm gonna start off with removing these seat belts. These plastics, which should just clip off. Then I'll be ready to throw a bunch of LA's finest and oven cleaner in here. Just and get this whole interior looking super clean. So this side's all oven cleaner. Looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than it did before. This is for reference. How this side looks is pretty much how this side looked, but it didn't have that much insulation right there. As you guys can tell, still pretty grimy. Overall, the interior isn't too hard to clean. I already did it on the white car once, so there's nothing to really learn. But I just know where like the tight spots are on the S14. With that being said, I'm gonna get back to this side. Fingers crossed, get this whole side cleaned out and then the back in like 40 minutes. Then I'll move to the trunk and Ruben could start installing harnesses.
Alright, so S14s are a pain in the ass. And the reason for that is, dude, they got a hell of a lot of harnesses, man. Trunk harness. Little airbag harness.
You forgot a harness right here.
Engine bay harness.
This is passenger
side chassis harness. Engine bay harness. Engine harness. Under the dashboard harness. No, that's driver's side chassis harness. This is under the dashboard harness. Well, that's like 7 harnesses, man.
How much does S13 have?
3. Like, I should have been taking pictures of under the dashboard on this thing because it looks like a pain in the ass.
Do you remember anything of how the harness is?
Absolutely not. Like under the dashboard, low key, I got no idea. For this car, I've already cleaned out the inside. I don't know how much you guys will be able to tell. 690D might be better. There you go. The whole inside's pretty much spotless at this point, or as clean as I can get it. So now that the whole interior is cleaned out, we can lay down the harness. And I bought some sound deadening, but it's at home. So I'm gonna head home, pick it up, and then bring it back to the garage. And we're gonna sound deaden the car today and throw in the interior harness. So let's go do that. So, what better way to start off the week than the car getting on the ground? This is the first time the car's ever hit the ground, I guess, had wheels on it. At least a new chassis being on the ground. Getting ready for the front end work because the frame is currently bent. To be honest, I don't know much about how Ruben's gonna fix this or what the plan is with this front end. I just know that the frame is bent. So I'm gonna pass the camera to Ruben and I'm gonna let him do all the talking.
She and her feelings on the ground. 21. Listen on that bitch, hold up. I ain't testing back that bitch, hold up. I ain't stressing about that bitch, hold up. 21, go get the stick. Hold up, bitch, I like the ball. Hold up, without no weavy ball. Hold up.